And welcome to Homemaker's Choice. In today's video, I want to talk to you about 2 remedies which will relieve your dry cough. This is out of my experience. I want to do this to you. I want to share this with you. So this is what I experienced and I benefited from this. So I want to share with you the goodness of garlic. You know garlic, every kitchen will have this garlic at home. So without garlic, there is no cooking. And today I want to talk to you about the benefits of garlic, what I attained from this. And whenever I had the dry cough, I almost had the dry cough for more than a month, I can say. So instead of reaching out quickly to the doctor or anywhere before I could reach, so this is what I used. The moment I had a dry cough, whether it's morning or afternoon or evening, I had these garlics peeled like this and kept. Just one garlic peeled, I put it in my mouth and I was just tasting it like how we taste a chocolate. A chocolate we don't bite and chew and eat it right away, but we will taste the goodness of the chocolate little by little. So I imagined this to be a chocolate and I just put it in between my teeth and slowly I chewed little by little and I allowed the juice to go throughout my mouth. So that it tickled all the taste buds, and this started working efficiently to relieve the harsh feeling from my throat, and it removed the dry cough and it turned the dry cough, and I started coughing out phlegm and I got a relief. And this is how I got my dry cough cured without any medicines or without visiting any hospital. And when the cough was very severe, I started putting this in my mouth 3 times a day. Once in the morning, once in the afternoon, once in the evening, and sometimes even in the middle of the night, my sleep would get disturbed and I had nothing to do and I had to just put this in my mouth, and this gave me a relief, very quick relief, I can say. Not even 5 minutes, just within 3 minutes of the time I started chewing this, I started tasting this. Within 3 minutes, the dry cough turned into wet cough and my throat was relieved like anything. And this is what I had, but I didn't use it for 1 full month and all. Only few days I used this, and gradually I reduced this from 3 times a day to 2 times, then once a day. And now my cough is completely relieved and I'm relieved of this. And this is a very, very, very good, effective home remedy which I want to share with you. And this you can benefit, and also you can, after using it, however you felt, you can give your comments also. And this is another remedy I want to show you. Most of you must be using this for curry, and you know the spice. We call it khaskhas, and I don't know what are the other names we use for this, and I'll show you what to do with this. And as you saw the items for making medicine for dry cough, as I spoke, as you heard about the garlic, this is very useful, and this is raw garlic which I told you to consume. The raw garlic, just put the raw garlic in your mouth whenever you have the dry cough. And this is the second medicine about the sesame seeds, about the khaskhas. We have to roast it dry on the stove on a medium heat and powder it. Then we need a little milk to prepare. These are also called sesame seeds or khaskhas, whatever it is. And we use it to roast it and grind it and use it for gravies and all that we make. So today I'm using this as a remedy for dry cough. We are going to dry roast this for a few minutes without getting burnt. We'll do it on a low flame. When you hear the splutter coming up, you can stop roasting it. We finished roasting it. Now it's getting cooler. When it's cold, we can grind it in a dry grinder, and when it's powdered, I'll tell you what to do. Now the sesame seeds are powdered, dry powdered like this, and now we will go for the preparation, how to make the medicine for dry cough. Now take little milk in a vessel and start heating it, and to that you add 1 spoon of the sesame seeds, powdered sesame seeds. As the milk is getting heated, keep stirring it to avoid getting burnt. Stir it slowly. Allow the milk to cook a little more. As it bubbles up on top, lower the heat and allow it to cook for a few more seconds. Simmer the heat and allow it to cook for a few more minutes. Now cook like this until the color changes like slightly brown. Cook until this. Now put off the stove and you can drain it. Now you can pour this through a strainer to remove all the remaining particles, and you can drink this. Now the preparation is ready, the medicine is ready. This milk is heated with the khaskhas powder, with the sesame seed powder, and is ready to drink. You can have this when it is still warm, like how you drink coffee, and it has a good effect when you drink it hot or warm. This also you can take it once or twice or thrice a day depending on the throat infection you have, and this is only for dry cough. When you have the dry cough, when you keep drinking this will relieve the phlegm and it will turn into wet cough, and you will be healed within 2 or 3 days depending on the effect of your dryness in the throat. So you will be relieved. This is also a home remedy which I tried, and you can continue using it. And if you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please do subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching. Let me give you a short review of what we did. First is the garlic. Actually, let me tell you, as I told you, I already had a dry cough for almost a month. I didn't know these remedies. For the last 1 week, I didn't know. For about 3 weeks, I was suffering with all that. Didn't know what to do, only drinking hot water, and nothing was relieved. Even some medicines were there, allopathy medicines, but that too didn't cure. Then I think the 4th week, I think only for about 3 weeks I was suffering with the throat infection. Then I think on the 4th week only I knew about this, and I started taking this remedy, and within 1 week my throat infection was cleared. First, as I told you, the raw garlic, and this relieves a lot. 1 garlic in the mouth in the morning after you brush your teeth, it keeps you relieved the whole day. And now this is the sesame seeds, the poppy seeds. This is also called as poppy seeds, and this we dry roasted and we powdered like this. And this is the milk which we heated, and in the milk we added this and allowed it to heat till it looked like a coffee brown color, slight brown color. We heat it till then the preparation is ready.